What do I tell my doctors after I've been involved in a crash? Hi, I'm Neal Schulwolf. I'm an attorney with Kalfus Nachman law firm. I've been practicing in courts in Virginia for over 30 years, and I'm here to answer this very important question. The first thing is what not to tell your doctors. First, do not tell your doctor that you're represented by an attorney. That's an important point that a doctor will write in your record if you volunteer this information. It's not necessary for the doctor to treat you with that information. When you tell them you have an attorney, that's a red flag for both the insurance company and the doctor. So do not mention that you have retained an attorney to help you or assist you with your personal injury case. Another important consideration in discussing your case with your doctor is that you want your doctor to file your health insurance. Do not allow the doctor to tell you that he will not file your health insurance, but will wait until the end of your personal injury case settles so that he can get paid. This is clearly a benefit to the doctor, but not a benefit to you. So what do we want you to tell your doctor? The first thing is you have to give your doctor an accurate medical history. If you're there to see your doctor for a neck or back injury and you've had neck or back problems prior to being involved in this crash, you need to tell the doctor that you've had prior neck and back problems. That's very important for your doctor to know as far as your medical history is concerned. When you go to see your healthcare provider, the doctor or healthcare provider may ask you about how the crash occurred. We don't want you to go into great detail about how the crash occurred, but just give the doctor minor details of what happened. If it's a rear-end collision where you were struck from behind, just tell the doctor you were struck from behind. If it's a side impact collision, just tell the doctor you got hit from the side. If your airbag's deployed, you certainly can tell them that. But you don't need to speak regarding how fast the defendant was traveling or the person who caused your crash was traveling, because in most of those cases, you're absolutely guessing as to the speed, and this can be used later on by the insurance company's attorney against you. And perhaps most importantly, make sure you tell the doctor or healthcare provider about the pain you're in at that particular time. Whatever you do, don't minimize your pain. This is very important information for the doctor to have because he's going to recommend treatment based on the pain that you're in. The less pain you tell him about, the less treatment you're going to receive. But if you are in significant pain or experiencing pain in any part of your body, you need to let the doctor know that. Finally, maintain a good relationship with your treating physician. Oftentimes, we're going to need your doctor to testify in your case, write a report, or just be a patient advocate. Therefore, we want you to have a good and excellent relationship with your healthcare provider. So why is it important for you to know this information? When you go to see your doctor, you may not particularly be thinking about the ramifications of the information you're giving him at that particular time. We want you to know this information so you can not only give the doctor the best information, but also protect yourself and your case. If you find yourself in this situation, you probably have questions. I have answers. So pick up the phone and call 888-487-8546. I'm Neal Schulwolf. I'm an attorney with Kalfus Nachman law firm, and I'm here to help you with your case.